Sick.
Dude, your kid is the sickest kid I've ever met in my life.
Kids are just sick. Kids are just sick.
Your kid's always sick too, though. Like every time I call you, he's in the background. He's just open mouth coughing. I'm like, oh my god. I'm like, I almost want to hang up. I feel like I'm gonna get sick calling you.
You know, kids don't know how to clear their throat, or like, you know, hot up a loogie and stuff. So even like, you know, clearing his throat, and then he just it's like a kid from South Park will just kind of cough. Just breathes his little sick breath on my, you know, neck all night. I'm like, all right, chances of me getting sick are up
open mouth, like next to you, like
it's not even. It says it's on. Buckle the car seat up, and where it clasps in, like some fluid came and like landed in my tear duct, like. Yeah, I was like, it was whatever, like, spit up. I was like, oh my God. Like, I was like, I'm gonna like probably have pink eye. Like, no, I'm blind. With my kid, I always got to curb my like swear. So I'm like, rats.
Just like, shucks.